Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. You black, I'm red. I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
Ah, Sweden.
Oh, nice. So, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Welcome. I'm also good. Can you please stop the music?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, your name? What's your name?
Amare. What's your name?
Amari. Wow, you are Amari. Nice name. Nice to meet you, Amari.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah. Do you have any?
Okay.
Do you have any idea about Bangladesh? I mean, my country.
Not so much, but I think like 3 weeks ago, when there's a problem, it was in the news what happened that she had to flew
Yeah.
out of the country because
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
the problem. Yeah.
Oh, you are very smart, intelligent guy. Wow.
Okay.
Welcome, welcome.
Yeah, these type of people in your country, like they're plundering people's house, but then I understand people's anger.
Yeah. You're right. You're right. You're really looking so beautiful, so sweet, and I
Thank you.
I like your hairstyle. Wow, you're very nice here. So
Thanks.
your name is Amari, right?
Yeah,
So how about your job? What do you do for a living?
I work as an IT, and you?
Oh, you work at NIT
Yeah, in the computer.
or in a computer. Okay, IT.
Yeah, and you?
And I'm a businessman.
I'm not here for making money or doing shit stuff.
Oh, okay,
I'm just
okay,
here to.
okay. I'm also here not for making money. I'm here to meet and talk with strangers and practice English because my English is too bad.
But it was nice to meet you because it will end now. I think it's 10 seconds.
Yeah. You wanna talk to me? You can continue. No problem. Okay.
Meet you.